In this video, I will show how to print your Microsoft Word document. So very simple and easy way to print your Word document. Press Ctrl plus P on keyboard. So you will see here this page. Just click on print. If your printer is selected, so you can print your Word document. Another method, click on File, then here click on Print. You can select here your printer. You can select your copies which you need. If you need to print all pages, so select here print all pages. If you need to only print current page, so select this one, print current page. Here you can select custom print for number to number. Here you can select paper size like A4, A3 or which you need. Orientation you can select here landscape or portrait. Here you can select page per sheet like 1, 2 or 16 pages per sheet. So this is the way guys you can print your Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching.